Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Epson L455 printer driver. So use to any browser and enter the Google search box. After that you can see the epson.co.in, this officially website. You just click on it. Scroll down. By default select only Windows 10. If you can not showing here Windows 10, no worry about it. You just click extract to driver and you can see Windows printer driver. Click on it and then click to download. Scroll down, I agree, and you can see guys Windows 11 64-bit, Windows 10 64-bit, and just click to download. After that you can see it is start downloading and it will take some time and depend about your internet speed. This is 29 MB size of this file. It is completed. Just single click to open. After that yes for the administrator rights. Yes. Okay, 455 series and then click to OK. After that select the languages, then click to OK. Then I agree, then OK. Now this is driver is installing. After that you can see guys two options to install, first network and second USB. So if you want to install them by network, so select the network and then click to OK. After that it will search. Okay, if you know about your printer, so search the options and then you enter the IP address. Okay, only this IP and subnet mask. Okay, and then click to OK. After that it will search. And second, USB, so connect to USB to printer to your system, laptop and desktop. After that click to OK and it will detect in seconds of, and then next to install. Okay, then next if you want to install scanner, so click to download, and if you not, you just restart after completed this setup. I agree and download. So you require driver is installed and then you just restart your system and then please check it. If you need to driver of your scanner, so you can see this video we are trying to install, and scanner shortcut will be shown on the screen. So it's downloaded, then click, and after that click to yes, then click to next and I accept, then next. Now this is installing. So it is installed, then finish. After that guys, restart your system and then check.